Some verbs in English are standard and basic, but in this series, I'd like to show you some more advanced verbs to give your English some style. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study unique verbs in English. To crave. Jeff and Mark are hanging out. They don't know what they want to do, but they're hungry. Mark, what do you feel like doing today? I don't know. Maybe we could grab a bite to eat somewhere. Sounds good to me. What are you in the mood for? Honestly, I'm in the mood for some sushi. How about you? Sushi sounds perfect. There's a great place a few blocks away that I've been meaning to try. Awesome. Let's go there then. To tell you the truth, I've been craving sushi for a while. Last week, I couldn't stop thinking about it. I'm so excited. Quiz time. What does to crave mean? To intend? To want something a little? To want something a lot? To eat? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. To want something a lot. Verb details. We often crave attention, crave food, crave sleep, crave adventure, crave something different, have a craving for something. What do you usually crave? What are you craving now? Write it in the comments below. Examples. I crave chocolate and sweets every day. My cravings for junk food are detrimental to my health. His constant craving for attention can really be annoying. I was craving a bowl of pasta yesterday. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. To grab a bite to eat. To get something to eat. What do you feel like doing? What do you want to do? I'm in the mood for something to eat. I want to eat that thing. I've been meaning to try something. I've been intending to try something. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.